Welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So, guys, update on Mullen Automotive, ticker MULN. Mullen is still there, guys. It's still active, and we had a small squeeze. And the good news is, guys, this squeeze was very predictable. I predicted this already here based on the price move from August, guys, 3 months ago. Exactly my price level got hit and got triggered, and I show you here, of course, all the updated price levels for Mullen. If you don't have Patreon, guys, or if you have Patreon, you can check it out. I also posted this yesterday here. My previous video here is from, I think, beginning of October, mid of October. I posted here already this video that Mullen short squeeze is possible. You will find this here also on YouTube. And there you can see that I predicted already here these price levels, and Mullen reacted exactly at my price level. So of course, I show you here the chart. Nothing, guys, of course, what I say here is financial advice. So let's start here with Mullen. Yeah, why was this squeeze predictable? Mullen is a quite reliable stock. The problem for Mullen is, I mean, when we see the price action here, guys, it's absolute better to go short than long on Mullen. That's no doubt. But we have these spikes in between, which are measurable, guys. Yeah, and I did that already here. So when we start with the drawings, then I made the Fibonacci retracement here based on this last move here, which we had by the end of August. By the way, guys, if you're new to this channel here, welcome. The main purpose is, of course, to educate you in trading. That's why I hope you saw my previous video here on Mullen. If not, guys, then please like and subscribe this channel here that you don't miss any updates. But I will show you also here why that was so predictable. And the mission what I have here is not only to educate you in trading. I try to predict short squeezes, and for Mullen, that was here on the point. So I made this Fibonacci retracement here from August, the last price action for Mullen, or the significant price action where we can talk about a small squeeze here from 149% was here back in August. And based on this move, as I say, guys, just please watch the previous videos. I never change or adjust my charts. And I said already that we have here the main algo liquidity zone is waiting here at $2.35. So the blue line here in my chart was and is, in my opinion, the liquidity zone where the algos are waiting, and we had a confirmed pump as well when the price came down to $2.35. This is this blue line here, and you can see Mullen pumped in total here 65%. This is, of course, not a big short squeeze, and I said in this previous video here that if the market makers don't cover their positions here, don't get me wrong, guys, they don't cover shares or shorts because they think Mullen is bullish. They have to do it because of some reasons which we have here in the chart. If you want to learn more about chart techniques, guys, yeah, then I will show you something later here in this video. But this is what we know would happen, or what I at least find out for myself, that we have, or we can expect, a technical reaction between $1.85 and $1.70. Everything is explained already in the previous video. Why, guys? Yeah, because we have here the 1618 retracement for Mullen. So when we go back here to the Fibonacci retracement from August, guys, this is a 3 months old Fibonacci retracement. So whoever telling you that chart technique doesn't work or that nobody can predict the future, guys, I cannot predict the future. I cannot tell you what happens tomorrow. But what I can tell you is that when we have here some significant price levels, that I at least can expect a technical reaction. I cannot of course promise that, but this is what Mullen now did. So when we see $1.70 was this 1618 Fibonacci retracement, when we now draw here an extended line, then you can see that 100% on the dot, really 100% on the dot, we had 1 day of a shakeout candle here. Then immediately the next day the price recovered, and you can see we closed above $1.70. So that means the bullish algos are still there. And then boom, guys, we had our squeeze. And not only I told you, or I predicted in my previous video where the price will start to squeeze, I also said where the price go to the upside is. Yeah, as I said, guys, please just watch the video, guys. Yeah, so, and I said $4.42 is the price target for Mullen. If we see here a big squeeze, this is where I expect the price to go. So now you will say, yeah, but we are trading here at $2.98. Yes, guys, you are right. But when we see what happened yesterday in the aftermarket, and I switch now here to the 4 hours chart, yo, guys, I mean, this is not in coincidence. Yeah, you can predict short squeezes here. And this is my mission here, guys. Of course, I can really not see the future. Nobody can do that. But this was here 100% on the dot. Not only the buy-in price range here, also the exit price range. was on the dot. That doesn't mean that Mullen cannot continue to squeeze. I show you the price levels here in a second, but you can see that I 100% on the dot predicted here this squeeze. So even if we just measure here from my liquidity zone price range, the total price move, we have here a 161% squeeze for Mullen. That's why I said, yeah, we still have short squeeze potential as long as Mullen is not diluting the stock. And this is the key message here and very important. As long as they don't dilute, these technicals stay in play. No matter how deep the price will fall, I will have to make a new retracement here after the squeeze is over. Then we will trade the post squeeze, blah, blah, blah. And this is what you really can do, guys, when you understand chart techniques. So when I say my mission is to predict short squeezes, then I have some special tickers here for you as well. My finest selection of short squeeze stocks. Mullen is a short squeeze play, but of course, because of all the delusion what we have here and all these stock splits which Mullen is performing, yeah, guys, this stock is it's a little bit more different to trade than other stocks. This was now on the dot, but that doesn't mean when they start to dilute that we will see a squeeze coming soon, guys. So what I have here, I provide every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. These tickers here are my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, and I upload these videos every Sunday. And when I show these videos on my channel, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. There is no guarantee, guys, of course. Yeah, there was also no guarantee that Mullen squeeze here. Because when they start to dilute, then these technicals are done, but you can see they didn't dilute and we had here a massive volume spike. So if you also want to see these short squeeze stocks, I had a lot of predictions here as well. So just from the biggest squeeze which I predicted here in October was this one. Here one day after my video release, this ticker squeezed 854%. And in September there was even a more violent one, that was this one here. One of my hot stocks squeezed in total 1,400%. So if you also want to see those hidden short squeeze stocks, guys, I can invite you here to join our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day new members joining in, guys, and it doesn't matter if you have experience in trading or not, everybody is welcome. You can see the member benefits here, and if you click here the info icon in the corner, then you get access to my Patreon member link, guys. So what is next, guys, for Mullen? As I said, the algos, the liquidity algo zone for the buying algos, yeah, also this is not made by human here, guys. This is made by algos. They have to cover some synthetic shares and stuff like that. So that was the first squeeze range which I expected. So when we can continue to squeeze here over $4.42, and therefore I switch now to the daily chart again, then you can see that the next price level, guys, yeah, would be $6.58. So if Mullen can continue to squeeze, if we can break $4.42 with volume, then $6.58 is the next price target. And I mentioned that already before. There is even a chance that we come back somewhere here in the $8.30 range. Here in this range, I could expect Mullen to run, but very difficult, guys. $6.58 is an open gap in the chart, which is one of the price targets here. And this is still possible for Mullen, but I would never FOMO in. That's why I already mentioned here the price range for Mullen, guys. Yeah. So if you missed the squeeze, no worries, guys. There are a lot of opportunities in the market. Check out here my hot stock video if you want to see more. Yeah, guys, and if you want to copy the price levels here, yeah, $4.42, $6.58 are the algo price levels. In case of a pullback, we should not fall below $2.07, guys. Yeah, so I draw you here now a liquidity zone. I don't want to see that the price is coming down, because normally $2.35 is the buying algo zone for Mullen. Everything here below that was just a fake out. This is what the market makers do. They always get the lowest possible price. So I draw, you know, here the new liquidity zone where I expect a technical reaction. If we don't see a technical reaction, and of course, if Mullen doesn't dilute, this is very important, yeah. If they dilute, then you will see these technicals here have no meaning and the stock will crash down. But this is what we can say. I will, of course, do also a new Fibonacci retracement as soon as the first squeeze is over, guys. So if you want to copy the price levels here, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. So the price levels are here $2.35 to the downside, $4.42, and everything over $4.42 will trigger, in my opinion, an even bigger squeeze. And then $6.58 is the price goal to the upside. If you want to copy the price levels, guys, I can highly recommend to get that chart program here. This is the reason why I'm able to predict those squeezes here. So if you want to learn trading, There is no way around that you use a good chart program, and I always use TradingView. I can offer you a discount link. I am not sponsored by TradingView, guys, but if you click here the info icon in the corner, you get access to my TradingView discount link and you save $15. I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Yeah, guys, that was my update on Mullen. I wish you great success with this trade. If you're still in this play here, yeah, I hope that we see $6.58 or even higher prices. I thank you so much for your time. If you don't want to miss any updates, guys, on Mullen or my other short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Mullen-Video und bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.